shower hooks that I used. Then I just hot glued this ring bling wrap on top of it. Okay, and E6000 and hot glued a gem. Yes, that's what I did, you all, for that. And of course, for this, I used floral beads and some flowers down in there, and hot glued some extra things that I had, and E6000 it on there because hot glue does not hold it all together. So you have to use, preference E6000 with it so it can hold really good. But yeah, this is my table that I recreated, and I just took the wrap and cut it in pieces because I couldn't get it all the way around it like I wanted it. So I just came up with an idea of like, I'm going to cut it and hot glue it on here just to give it a little pop, just to give it a little feel of a different type of look and some bling. Like, if y'all don't know me, I'm a bling girl and I love bling. And yeah, so this is pretty much how I did what I did, you all. If you all like this video and want to see more, I want you to comment in the comment section below. I want you to talk to me about it, tell me about it, and I have some footage on how I did it and showed y'all how I did it, but the lighting on the footage didn't come out too good, so I apologize for that. But overall, this is a very easy DIY, and I think that once you put your brain cells together, you can create anything. But until then, thank y'all so much for tuning in to Frederica Nation. I want to hear from you all. Make sure you subscribe and hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload. But look, thumbs up. If you're liking this, please thumbs up. I want y'all to like this video, and I want to hear from you all. But until then, thank y'all so much here at Frederica Nation.